Hi, I'm Chris Curran. Welcome to ISE 2026. We're here today on the TMB booth 6M200, and we're taking a look at our world-famous ProPlex Ethernet cables. TMB was the world's first to develop a fully stranded Ethernet cable as a Cat5e. Since then, the generations have evolved up to our latest and greatest, which is our Cat6a-PX. The Cat6a-PX is a fully attenuated at 100 meters, certified 10 gig stranded Ethernet cable. Great for those absolutely ruggedized touring applications. It features a polyurethane jacket, braiding, double shields, and Kevlar inners for strength. If you'd like a sample, contact anyone at TMB or at sales@tmb.com. We'd be happy to get some out to you for a quote. But check us out online at www.tmb.com.